trumpet vine grew in the kitchen window and bloomed bright orange on the wall. You sat in the morning light holding a guitar, and the summer rain began to fall. And like the gentle raindrops, your words fell in the air, making things so clear as we quietly sat there. It reminded me of other times you had come before, brought the song, just walked in through the kitchen door. Now it seems the truest words I ever heard from you said at the kitchen tables we have known. 'Cause somehow in the warm room with the coffee on the stove, our hearts are really most at home. Sitting at a table looking hard at you, catching up on stories of the things we tried to do. It seemed we really said the most when didn't talk at all. Let the song speak for us like the sunlight on the wall. Now as we come and go in the sunshine and the rain, some years seem more clearly than the rest. And if it weren't for kitchen songs and mornings spent with friends, we all might lose the things we love the best. I could see you sitting there beneath the trumpet vine, sunlight through the window in the kitchen of my mind. You came when you were needed, I could not ask for more, and to turn to find you walking through the kitchen door. You came when you were needed, I could not ask for more than to turn and find you walking through the kitchen door.